Okay, hello. So to recover everything from comments, so this is my dashboard and these are my modules. And so I click on comments and then I click on shared. And this is the only one that I have that I shared. So I'm going to click on the title. So right here where it says import download, I'm going to click the one that I want to import it to. So for example, I have it on Game On with Math. So I just created one module because if your module doesn't show here, you're gonna have to create a new one. So for example, this one, I have it here in the Math. So I'm going to click Math, import into course. And it says you have successfully started the import. So when I go back to my dashboard, this is the Math, and I click on it, all the content should be there. Okay, if you don't have the module, you're gonna have to create one just by start a new course. And for example, this is something for social studies, and create a course. And then you add whatever you want to add to it. Then you go to comments. And like I said, click on shared and then click on it, import, and then it's right over here. So you just click on it, import course, and it'll be imported into the social studies module. So when you go back to your social studies module, everything will be there. Okay, let me know if you need any help.